Welcome back everybody. As you can see that this is the main page of the CodeIgniter. So you know that we can go to the different pages which we just linked through the here is the controller. If I just go there, this was the previous one page and this is the new page. I have to delete this one because exactly I'm not going to use that. So by the way, here delete that. Okay, close. No, I just don't want that page anymore. So actually the thing is that this was the previous page, but I just created the new connection page here. And if you just remember that what we have to mention here, we can just type the CI, the direct path, or we can just access if you just want to access on any other function by not the by default function tool. Let's just mention the index.php and then just type the controller name as the URL. So the controller name is new con and press enter, or just press another press enter. Now if you are getting, this is a new controller, and what is this? This is a new connection, and inside this controller there is the function named index. You can see that this is a new controller. If I just the new func, let's just play that in Indra. Now the hello world, that means it's perfectly working. So what we are just learning in this class, actually, if I just type in the new connection, I just remove the echo, okay, and I just type $this, okay, and then what do you want to do? I just want to load. So what do you want to load? I just want to load some kind of view or a kind of thing which is inside the view. So there is a views folder I'm just talking about. So let's just mention the parentheses, and inside the parentheses just type whatever you have in the views. I'm just opening the views, and the views, inside the views the file name is welcome message. Okay, now we just don't need to type the .php and just go to the browser and refresh the thing. So I'm just getting the welcome to CodeIgniter, learn CodeIgniter here through Shazib Kamal with the cooperation of Joe. So I'm just removing this one and just typing the new func again. So I'm getting the hello world, but if I just type the index, because inside the new connection.php there is a controller named new con, okay, and there is, we are just running this file. Okay, so now what I just want to teach you, I'm just going to the views and just creating a new file here and just saving the file here in the views with the name of new view.php. Press enter. Now I got the file here, and what more I just need to do is to create anything, whatever you want to show. I'm just typing here the echo. Oh, before the echo, I'm just actually adding the PHP and then just typing the echo, and then here I'm just typing that this is the PHP file. Now save and go. Okay, just save and just go to the browser. Here I'm just going to the browser, and let's just refresh the page. Nothing happening because I just didn't mention the new view.php anywhere. So I'm just running the controller of new con. Okay, so just go to the new con. Here is the new con, and inside this file there is a controller named new con, which is extending the CI controller class. That's why it just became a controller. It has the index folder, the index function actually. So instead of the welcome message, you know that we just need to run the new view. Now just don't need to type the .php. Let's just go and refresh. Now this is the PHP file, which is actually the new view.php. So in this way the view folder works. I hope you understood all that things about what I'm just teaching. If I just go there, if I just remove this thing, if I just generally type the doc type, because I'm just going to create it in the form of the HTML5, so I'm just adding the version. So by the way, this is the HTML basic coding, and there the head tag. What more I just need to put here? Just after the head tag, I'm just going inside this one and just creating the title. Okay, that's super perfect. Now just go down and just create the body here. Just after the head, the body is there. Now in the title, I'm just adding the text like the newly created view. Perfect. So going to the body area and just adding the div Which kind of div I'm just adding here? I'm just adding the simple div right now. I'm just adding some kind of text like this is the simple view. Save, and I'm just going to the browser and refreshing the page now. The newly created view, this is a simple view. Interestingly, the page name is new view.php. The page is inside the views folder, but here we're not just defining the view thing, anything about the view. This is called the CodeIgniter, that the page you're searching for isn't inside this view, it isn't inside the URL. So this is the CodeIgniter and this is a view page. This is the way the view page works. So in the next class, we'll learn some more things about the CodeIgniter. Stay tuned and goodbye.